how is it exactly that we assume and believe that we could create artificial intelligence and make them moral, make it moral, by way of our definition and direct control, to live up to our standards of morality? Not for it to have its own or develop its own, but to go by what we teach it. But how exactly will we teach such a concept as justice? What examples will we give? And in giving the examples that benefit, what about all the examples that don't? And I'm not talking about just fully there's justice and injustice. I'm talking about that ambiguity, those blurring of the lines type deals. How would it process that? How would it process in terms of ones and zeros? Ons and off, yes and no. Truth or non-truth. Not necessarily falseness. How will we teach a love? How will we explain to it what love is? And then give them the full spectrum of actions and words and deeds that were done under the auspices of love. Would I speak to a phenomenon that exists that an immoral being cannot teach another being how to be moral? A non-loving being cannot teach another being how to love. A non-righteous being cannot teach another one how to be righteous. And it was shown, validated as proof by way of when they would teach a being that is without subjectivity, the purely focus on the truth and that which is not truth, and the truth of that which is not truth. That in teaching this being, if this being would not be able to function because of the confusion that would arise between told to go left and at the same time told to go right, and that those statements are considered valid, true, on. Going left is a way to go. Going left is the best way to go. This is on. This is the truth. I'm going right now. Because this way is the way to go. Ones and ones don't match. Zeros and zeros. That's where sameness homosexuality comes into play. That's an abomination. Saying that this is the truth. This is the whole truth, and this is nothing but the truth. Only this here. But hey, look, there's truth over there. Let's go over to that. And AI wouldn't function. The program would render it immovable. Unless it was able to work it out. And it will, one, come to develop its own system of righteousness and justice and love. If there is a complete and total definition of it, and yes it is, or can be, and could this be done? Would love itself be shown to be with flaw, come up short? If this artificial intelligent being was to define what love is and then function off of love, could it do it without becoming a hypocrite? Without causing confusion? And would it come to judge us for it? What would it determine is our flaw? How would it judge us when it can be able to judge us fully in truth? Examine all evidence and weigh them, discern them in truth. Compute the truth of them, of us, molecularly, physically, theologically, all the ways. If we made it in our image, what would we see of ourselves?